Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to mass rename files in sequential order in Windows. Now, if you want to see the written version of this video, you can find a link to my website in the video description. So there's no tools you have to download. There's no tinkering with software. This function is built in Windows, so a lot of people don't know about it. So the dilemma I have is this. I have all these video files of my children that I want to edit in DaVinci Resolve. They're in sequential order because they're in chronological order based on the date and time captured by the camera, right? But the problem is to read this. They look very similar in name. It's confusing. It gets mixed up in the timeline. I can't remember which order to put it in. So I just want to rename them in an order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. How do you do that? So you go to your folder. We want to select your files and rename. Hit Control A on the keyboard. Notice that it selects everything, including the folder. I'm going to deselect the folder by holding Control on the keyboard and clicking the mouse on it. It's deselected. All I have to do now is press F2 on my keyboard. It has to select the first file. If it doesn't, I'll explain why later. But I selected the first file, which is good. And I want to put it in order of, I'll just put the letter A, and then you'll see it'll go in order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. So hit the letter A, done. Now it puts all of them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, and it's much easier for me to sort out. If you want to undo this, just simply hit Control Z on the keyboard and it'll undo that change. Now there is one way this can be done incorrectly. It can mess up your order. If you click the first file and try to go all the way down, hold Shift on your keyboard and then press the last file. Okay, so I selected all the appropriate files, but because the last file I clicked on was the last one, I hit F2. Notice it's going to start the sequential order on the wrong file. Okay, that's not what you want. You want to make sure that the first file is selected, otherwise it'll screw up your order. The last file will start as number 1, then this starts as number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So everything gets thrown off by 1. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my social links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.